Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie. First, gather all your ingredients and tools. You'll need flour, sugar, salt, and very cold butter for the crust, plus your chosen filling ingredients. Make sure your workspace is clean and organized. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get baking. Creating a flaky pie crust is key to a delicious pie. Start by whisking together your dry ingredients. Then, cut in very cold butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until it resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing until the dough just forms. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the crust tough. Once your dough is ready, it's time to assemble the pie. Roll out 1 portion of dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/8 inch thick. Gently transfer it to your pie plate, trimming any excess. Pour in your delicious filling. Then, place the second crust on top, crimping the edges to seal. Don't forget to cut a few vents. Baking your pie to perfection requires a bit of attention. Start with a higher oven temperature for the first 15 minutes, then reduce it to finish baking. This helps achieve a golden, flaky crust. Look for a rich golden brown color and a bubbling filling. Once baked, the hardest part is waiting. Let your pie cool completely for at least 2 hours before slicing and serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.